How do I rebuild the PS4 database?
Hello everyone! In today's video, we'll be covering the important process of rebuilding your PS4 database. This is a simple and often useful method to improve your console's performance, fix software bugs, and prevent data corruption. Remember, this process is safe and does not delete your game data.
What do you need?
In order to rebuild the PS4 database, you'll need two things: your PS4 console and a DualShock 4 controller connected with a USB cable.
Why should you rebuild the PS4 database?
Before diving into the process, let's discuss why you might need to rebuild your PS4 database. If you're facing issues like games freezing, lagging, or not loading properly, or if your console is not running as smoothly as it should, these could be signs that your PS4 database needs to be rebuilt. Rebuilding your database reorganizes your hard drive to make it easier and quicker for your system to access files, improving your console's overall performance.
How to boot your PS4 into safe mode?
To start rebuilding the database, you need to boot your PS4 into safe mode. Follow these steps. 1. Turn off your PS4 completely. Make sure your console is not in rest mode but fully powered off. 2. Press and hold the power button on your PS4 console. You'll hear a beep sound when you first press it. Continue to hold until you hear a second beep, then release. This should take about 7 seconds. 3. Connect your DualShock 4 controller with a USB cable, then press the PS button on the controller. Your PS4 is now in safe mode.
How to rebuild the PS4 database?
Once you're in safe mode, you're ready to rebuild the PS4 database. Here are the steps. 1. Navigate to the Rebuild Database option using the D-pad on your controller. It should be the 5th option. 2. Press the X button on your controller to select this option. A warning message will appear, but don't worry, this process will not delete your games, saves, or other data. Only corrupted data might be lost. 3. Confirm the selection. Your screen will go black for a few seconds, and then the rebuilding process will start. Depending on how much data you have, this can take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of hours. So, be patient. And that's it. You've successfully rebuilt your PS4 database. This should help your console run more smoothly and reduce software hitches. Remember, rebuilding your database every few months can keep your PS4 in top shape. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and happy gaming!